Oh my gosh, guys, the biggest storm just hit. Okay, we're gonna have to run for the car because I don't think that we can be here and I don't think we're gonna have fireworks. 4th of July is probably canceled.
In today's video, our 4th of July is almost ruined. But before I get started, subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave.
Guys, it's Independence Day. Let's celebrate.
Between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale.
Look how much candy I got! I'm gonna eat it all! Here we go! Here we go! Fountains, here we go! S-O-T my Sony!
Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
That's crazy!
Singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old.
We need that truck.
That truck would fit our entire family.
+1.
To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Singing like. Party like. Freaking out.
How is he doing that?
Yeah, singing like. Singing like. Party like.
It's beautiful!
I think Blake wants more candy.
Singing like. Singing like.
This one's good!
Party like. Freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
You know what? That was a pretty good play. Let the festivities continue. Don't you mean festivities? Yes, festivities.
All right, guys, so this 4th of July has been so much fun, and we are not even close to being done. So we are heading out again. We are going to be going to a park where they're going to have tons of food, music, booths, and later tonight, fireworks. But first, I need to try and get a picture of these kids, and that's not gonna be easy. Picture time! Everyone line up! Let's take pictures! Come on!
Pictures!
Woohoo!
Or no?
Oh, we lost one. All right, everyone look at the camera. Ready? Whew, another successful family picture. Now let's go have some fun. You're planting the flower? Okay, let's go so we can go have fun.
That poor flower.
Guys, there's plenty of food trucks here. Who could ask for more?
I can't as long as there's food. Guys, storm is coming. Here. I caught this. It's going crazy. I don't think we're having fireworks, guys. Look at it. Look at those things.
Oh my gosh, guys, the biggest storm just hit. Okay, we're gonna have to run for the car because I don't think we can be here, and I don't think we're gonna have fireworks. Steve is somewhere helping somebody take down their tent because things are going crazy right now. Oh my gosh, okay, let's get over here.
Help me! Help me!
Is it really the 4th of July right now?
It's raining! Run!
No fireworks going on today. Guys, I think a tornado is coming. I'm serious. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I need to go save our blankets.
What happened when I was gone?
4th of July is probably canceled.
Let's make a run for the car!
All right, guys, it's a good thing we parked kind of close. I'm gonna make a run for it.
I need to get in the car!
This side.
Hurry, there's lightning! Hop out!
Run, get in the car! It's okay, Parker, we're safe now! All right, guys, so we made it to the car. We are getting dry. We're no longer out in the rain. And Steve had to run, guys, out in the storm to go back and get all of our blankets that we laid down to save a spot. So we had just got here, laid our blankets down. We had the best spot, guys, right up in front. We were gonna see the fireworks so clear right in front of us. And now all of our blankets are probably sopping wet and Steve has to go run and get them. But we are dry in the car, right?
Yeah. I don't like the rain. Hopefully that's okay. I just saw a big lightning.
That thunder was so loud.
Guys, it was so loud and it is coming down really hard right now. It's lightning and we still don't see Steve anywhere. I don't know where Dad is.
I think I see him. I think I see him.
Do you?
I think that's him, but he's going the opposite way.
Well, then it's not him.
I think it looked like him. It had the white shirt.
I have no idea where he is.
There he is! Hurry, Dad!
Guys, he looks so wet. Oh, all of our blankets. Oh, they're so wet.
It's wet and cold out
Your
there.
hair is sticking straight up.
It's probably from the lightning.
The wind stopped and it's not raining anymore.
4th of July is not ruined! Yay, guys! Are you excited? Fireworks! 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 All right, guys, it looks like we successfully waited out the storm, and now we are gonna go find another really, really good spot to watch the fireworks.
Just like your girl. Before you know it, she will leave ya. No trace, no note, you'll never see ya. You ask her what you did and let it fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Why? It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is.
All right, guys, that was the craziest 4th of July ever, but everything worked out. It wasn't ruined. We've had a blast. And now, guys, it is time for fireworks.
Fireworks!
She left you with no words or reason. All you can do is club and rebound. I know it's hard, but you can fake it. Yeah, just fake it till you make it. Before you know it, you'll forget her. Yeah, at least until the fog is clear. You ask her what you did and let it fix it. Tell you why. It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is.
That was awesome.
Thanks for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment below. Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.